Good morning. This is English video session for class 10. We are now going to learn about a new topic in First Flight, chapter number 5. The 100 Dresses by L. Saw Esther. Okay. If you see this, first and foremost, before reading it, we need to understand about what is Polish culture, how Poland is, people are migrated in other places, everything. So I need to give a brief about it. So most of the time, how do you judge people? Their money, their wealth, the possession, value. What about the real value? Do we really consider the inner self of the individual? How good they are, how perfect they are, how much values they have. There's a very sensitive story of how a poor girl is judged by the classmates. Okay, Wanda Petrowski is the young Polish girl. She goes to the school where American children are there in an American town. Okay, remember Wanda Petrowski. Wanda Petrowski. She is a young Polish girl. She's from Poland, means Polish girl. And she goes to which school? To the American school in the American town. But these children see Wanda as different. See, there is a different person coming from a different culture. See, we don't have racial issues in India. But in other countries, the issues of racial differences are more. She is from Poland. She is Polish. But these other children are American. So they always treat her in a different manner. Above all these things, she is also poor. She is economically poor levels she is coming. Yet her values are high. She has got very high value. Now before we go to understand about how she was treated, what happened, everything, we need to know the original issues of Polish American community. Who are they? American community we know because they are the people who were living in America. But what is this new culture? That is Polish culture. So first, what is the thing which we are going to say is, how do we judge the people around us? So if are we doing it with they are having a lot of money, they are having a lot of wealth, they are having a lot of possession, or is it because we give value to the value, how much values, how simple they are, how helpful they are, how loving and caring to others they are? How do we do? It is a very important question that is posed before us. How do we judge people around us? Each one judge another person with some criteria. Yes, education, wealth, anything. How do you judge? Tell me. Put it in your mind. You judge somebody. How do others in majority, how do people trust, how do they judge another person? Why should I know how people judge about others? Because this story itself, it's a very, very sensitive story. Okay, I'm going to take a lot of time in this explanation because everybody needs to know the sensitive aspect that is coming across in this story. Why it is so sensitive? Because here is a poor girl. How she is judged by her classmates. Are you to be judged by the economic position? Are you to be judged by the dresses which we wear, the vehicles, cars which we have, or is it the values which makes you an individual? A lot of questions need to be answered in this particular lesson. The name of the girl is Wanda Petrowski. Please repeat behind me because it's quite a different type of name which is not easy to be pronounced also. Wanda, W-A-N-D-A, Wanda Petrowski, P-E-T-R-O-N, Petrowski, S-K-I. She is basically a Polish girl. Okay, she's a Polish girl. They are settled in America. Okay, they are settled in America and they are studying along with the Americans in the school. Okay, all these children, the other children in the school are Americans, mostly Americans. And here is Wanda, a different from that culture and the race, that is, she is from Poland. But she is Polish American. Okay, so what way she finds them different? One is it only the ratio or is it economical? How do such things happen? How does they play a role? How do they treat her? Why should we know her? Definitely. Is this the right way to treat? Yes. Read the information in the box of the community. What community is this? The Polish community. Actually, if you go through the encyclopedia, internet, and if you go through the World War II, the information that we get regarding the Polish country, that is Poland, people who lived in Poland, you will get a diversified information. Let us read some of the information that we get it. The Polish American community in United States. The first Polish immigrants arrived in America in 1608. So in 16th century itself they have arrived to America. But largest wave of the Polish immigrants occurred in the early 20th century. The wave means what? The movements. Okay. When more than 1 million Poles migrated to the United States. So more than 1 million they came into the United States of America. The Polish state did not exist at that time, and the immigrants were identified according to their country of the origin rather than of ethnicity. So where are you from? Polish. Okay. So they were identified as they never talked about anything else, only the origin, which country they are from, that's all. They were identified as Russian Poles, German Poles and Austrian Poles. What is this Russian Poles, German Poles and Austrian Poles? Let me introduce about that. Poland is in between Russia, German on the other side and Austrian on the other side. Naturally, this becomes a buffer country where the influence of the culture of Russia, German, Austria were imbibed, were taken up by the Poland people. So, the one who imbibed the Russian culture, Russian Poles, German culture and their ways is German Poles, and Austria is Austrian Poles. So like this it was differentiated. This is a very small country and all the ones who are around it are very big mass countries, and naturally the influence of the other countries on them regarding the culture and other learning were more. Okay, so there were these Poland people had the influence of Russia, German and Austria. Is that clear? So people who identified and adopted the Russian culture, Russian ways, Russian Poles, German ways, German Poles, Austrian ways became Austrian Poles. Poles is Poland. People of Poland were called Poles. P-O-L-E-S. A large population migrated to America, and the more than a million they migrated to America and United States, and they were considered, they were identified according to where they are from. Russian Poles, German Poles, and Austrian Poles. For more, please go into the encyclopedia and learn more about it. It's so interesting. Okay, tomorrow when you come to the class, please read the entire story of it and come. Is that clear? Thank you, children, and let me see you. I'll see you in the next class with more news. Okay, thank you.